Granny Women, and we are having a double birthday party. My brother's wife Ann is turning 67 today, and my Uncle Gene next week will be turning 87. So we are partying down tonight.
So how old will you be in a week?
87.
How old do you feel?
I'm feeling better right now.
You feel old or you feel young?
No, I don't feel young. I feel younger than I did last year. Last year I didn't think I'd be here this year.
Yep. You've come a long way.
I never thought I'd make it this year.
It's about to be party time. Yep. Getting ready to chow down.
Yeah, that's what they're doing.
As to how many birthday parties she's had.
All right, so how many birthday parties have you had? Just this one?
This one.
We did it big. And at least we did it big. Tons of food,
You did it big.
tons of people.
You did it perfect. So thanks to everybody. Everybody did a lot.
What's your sister's name?
And Murray,
And she's how old?
she's 91.
91 years young.
She'll be 92 in August. I'll be 87 in next week. Look at them birds. That's a pretty card.
Oh, look at you, money.
Who are we here celebrating today?
Oh, we're celebrating Uncle Gene's birthday. He'll be 87 next week. And we're celebrating Ann, my daughter-in-law's birthday.
Turning 27. Turning 27.
She says she's turning 27, but I
Okay,
don't
okay.
know.
47 times. Well, who's counting? Right?
Well, I don't know.
You must be 10 back.
We got all the left.
Robbie said he'd share with you on that.
That reminds me of Truls so much.
We like to do this.
First ones I ever had, she made me, and I've still got them. I love them.
Yeah, there he is.
Gee, just go like this.
So you made the pineapple upside down cake.
Yes, and it turned out awful.
What happened?
I don't know what I done to it. I was hoping for Delbert McClinton.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gigi. Happy birthday to you.
You tell we're getting old, Ralph.
Hold her belly. 1, 2, 3, cheese. Official food taster, how is it?
Good. Hot dog chili's so good, I've just eaten it by itself.
What else you got?
Some macaroni salad with fresh veggies in there and good cheeseburger on the new grill.
What did you guys go do?
Going to play in water.
In the water? What
In the
water?
lake.
Oh, it was a lake? Was it a creek?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I see the back of your shirt? Oh boy. Did you fall down?
No.
No, okay. Did you have a good time? Awesome. All right, so do you all have nicknames? Or just him?
Don't get me started. I got white breeches on. I'm pissed.
Well, that's no excuse because
I didn't put them on. I
I
forgot
brought you some
it.
depends.
I forgot it.
All right, so what's his nickname?
Oh,
Alton's.
mouse. You done tipped me over.
Mick, why did they call him Mouse?
Well, I don't know. I'm young.
It was the littlest. Because he was always the littlest one.
He's always been Mouse to me. I never knowed him nothing
We had
but
Mouse and we had Mick before we had Mickey Mouse. Okay, I've got my carrot grated, and I'm going to cut my celery. And I'm very picky about my stuff. I like to cut it micro tiny because I like to taste everything in one bite. I'm going to cut my green pepper up and see how micro tiny my stuff is. I guess that's why everybody wants me to make the potato salad. They're afraid to cut it real little. It takes too much time. Okay, now I'm getting ready for my pickles. And I use dill pickles and sweet pickles. I got 5 dill pickles in here. And I've got 5 sweet pickles. And I'm going to cut them out micro small. But I'm going to pour in my pickle juice. And then start cutting. Okay, now I'm going to cut my onion, and I cut it micro tiny just like everything else. And when I get this onion cut, I'm going to stir this up, I'm going to cover it up and let it sit and marinate together till I peel my potatoes and cook them. My potatoes are boiling for my potato salad. So while those are boiling, I'm going to multitask and mix up my baked beans.
What to do?
Okay, Anna's decided she wants to do the baked beans. So, put your pork and beans in your bowl.
Okay, 2 cans.
2 cans of uncut pork and beans.
Juice and all.
I pre-cut my onions and my green peppers. I'll stir it together.
Okay, with your
There's the fork. You can make it without onions. It does not taste as good though.
Okay. A squirt of mustard. Not a whole lot of squirt. Okay. Couple dashes of Worcestershire. A little bit more. Okay. A big squirts of ketchup. That's pretty good. And a good, maybe 3 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Okay. Is that 2 tablespoons?
Good.
Okay. I don't want to wing it like I do my sauces. Okay.
Stir it together real good. And get you a spoon. Taste it to see if you need anything else. Pretty good. Put it in an airtight bowl. And in the morning, put it in your baking dish and bake on 350 for about 45 minutes. My potatoes have been boiled. I like my potatoes to crumble up like mashed potatoes. So I mash them down with a fork. Get some pickle juice mixed in with them. I'm going to put me a little bit of mustard. It's probably about I don't know, 2 teaspoons. Get me a big spoon. And then I'm going to put 2 big tablespoons of Hellmann's mayonnaise. That's the only mayonnaise I will use. About a tablespoon of sugar.
You know, I just like all potato salads except for yours. Yours is the only one I'll eat.
Guess that's why everybody wants it. The pickle juice that it was in was probably like about a 1/4 a cup that was in the bottle. Now for my like, looks like it needs a little bit more mustard. And I'm going to go with another spoon of mayonnaise. The more I stir, the creamier my potatoes will get. And it's really hard to tell if you've got enough of everything till it gets cold, and then it's too late to add it. So you kind of got to guess right the first time. I brought me 3 spoons over here just so I can start testing. Just more sugar. Maybe another squirt of mustard. like the color I'm used to making. So let's go with another spoon.
You're there.
Yeah, I'm there. Maybe a tad salt, but I've got it. Okay, Chris,
That's delicious.
is that my potato salad?
I don't eat potato salad, but I'll eat yours. I could probably eat a whole bowl of these things.
Is that better than out of the can?
Oh yeah.
Got you some Dr. Enough?
Yes, my granny's favorite.